Okay, this is Dr. Williamson again. This is problem 1.67 from your homework list, and I thought I would solve this one for you to try and help you out. So what we need to pay attention to here is it says, carry out each calculation, paying special attention to sig figs, rounding, and units. What I like to do when I solve these is I like to put these 10 to the powers separately because those are always exact. So I like to do that. So I'm going to break this up into, let me change the color on this. I'm going to break this up into 4.32 over 4/3, which is exact because the problem says the term 4/3 is exact. This is 3.1416. Now this 1.95 times 10 squared centimeters quantity cubed is the same thing as 1.95 cubed 10 squared cubed centimeters cubed, because this is all multiplication. So I can do that. Oh, I forgot I got to have grams here. Need grams there. So I'm going to rewrite this as 1.95 cubed. And then I have my 10 to the 7th here. So I'm going to go times 10 to the 7th. And I'm going to have 10 squared, all of that cubed. And then I'm going to put my units in a more convenient place. So I'm going to put my units over here, grams, and I'm going to have centimeters cubed. Now, when I look at this, this is 3 sig figs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 sig figs. This is 3 sig figs. And when I cube it, that means 1.95 times 1.95 times 1.95. All of these are 3 sig figs. So the answer to that must have 3 sig figs. So when I have this, I'm just going to have 3 sig figs from there. Okay. Now to do this portion, oh, by the way, and the 4/3, like we said, this is exact. Put my letter E here for exact. I'm going to get out my calculator now, and I'm going to do this front fraction here. So I'm going to go here, 4.32 divided by 4/3 divided by 3.1416 divided by 1.95 cubed. And I'm going to get here, assuming I did it right, for this front part, I'm going to get 0. Hold on here, I wanted that in red. I'm going to get 0.139, and then it has a 0, 8, 0.82 times, I didn't do the sig figs on that yet. But here I have 10 to the 7th and 10 squared cubed. That'll be 10 to the 6th power, because it's going to be 10 squared times 10 squared times 10 squared, which is 246. Okay, so 10 to the 6 grams over cubic centimeters. All right, now this is 3 sig figs, 3 sig figs, 5 exact. So this number must be rounded to 3 sig figs. Let me make some space here for the rest of the problem, because I only got so much whiteboard left. So I'm going to round this to 3 sig figs. 139, 0.139 times, now 10 to the 7 divided by 10 to the 6 will be 10 to the 7 minus 6. I have grams per cubic centimeter. Okay. And then that'll be 0.139 times 10 to the 1 grams per cubic centimeter. And this is pretty small. I probably don't, first off, it's not in standard scientific notation. And the question didn't ask for standard scientific notation. But if I expand this into regular numbers, I'm going to get 1.39 grams per cubic centimeter. And that would be my answer. I wouldn't turn it into scientific notation from here because it's, so small. Because if you did turn in scientific notation, you have 1.39 times 10 to the 0 grams per cubic centimeter. And that's just so redundant that we wouldn't bother writing it that way. So we wouldn't do, you could, but it'd be weird. So this will be our answer for that. And that's 1.67 letter A. I hope I did the math right. I'll check it afterwards. Okay then, bye.